Hello. So today I have a classical problem from scoping in JavaScript. So it's a simple problem. So you have a variable defined where a equal to 10 in window scope, and post that you have a simple function. Inside I am having, again I am trying to use a equal to 20, I am assigning, and then I am trying to print out the a value inside that function, and outside also I am trying to call the previous function and I am trying to output the value of a. So simple. Now what do you think? What would be the output in this case? So if I will try to run this one, you can see it's outputting 2020. Why so? Let's run and see in the debugger window. So I am expanding my browser, and post that I will be moving to sources. I will try to refresh this one. So you can see it's first hitting a equal to 10. But you have to remember, this is not the first time JavaScript parser is coming to where a equal to 10. It's the execution phase wherein it is touch basing on that second time. In creation phase, it has already assigned a with undefined value. So if you will see right side, I have global scope, right? So if I will be expanding scope, so there are two kind of scope when it comes to any kind of variable. Either it can be local or it can be global. Global is basically your window scope. Now, because I am there in window scope, it has this global section coming in. So you can see a equal to undefined. Now, if I will run it through, then you can see it's assigned a with 10. Second statement that will be running is your test1. So test1 is a function again. So if I will run it through, then you can see again inside scope we have local coming into picture, and local is something that is specific to this test1 function, right? So by default every function will be having a this scope attached, and because test1 is getting called by using window scope, that is why this will be having a value associated, because window scope is having a equal to 10. So if I will expand this one, then you can see a equal to 10, right? So this is the same scope that you can see in global scope below, right? This seems to be different, but these are two equal scopes. There is no difference between this window inside this test1 function and outside this test1 function. Both are same. That you have to remember. Now, because I have not redeclared a by using where, so the value that a will be having will be accessed from window scope or global scope, because this is the only value of a that is available in our program. Now if I will expand this one, just try to observe. So once I will be moving the parser from a equal to 20 to the next line, then you can see it's updated a with 20. So this window, whatever is, this is referring to window scope, and that has been updated with 20. And if I will minimize this one and see global scope, that has also been updated with 20, right? Now if I will run it through, then it will be coming out of this test1. Still it is there in test, because you can see this local scope still in scope. That is why you can see this local scope in picture. Now the moment I will be running it through from line number 6 to the next line, then it will be taken out from your memory. So now everything is gone and only window scope is in place. So console.log, the last statement, it will be running through, and in your global scope already a value has been changed from 10 to 20. That is why it will output you with 20 value. So let me run it through, and you can see it's outputting 2020. But will it be the same case if I will just reverse this one? So for example, I will be taking this statement from here, Control X, and I will be putting in after this one. So let me clear this off and let me rerun. So again we will debug this one to understand it more carefully. So as in the previous case, it will be again assigning a with 10, which is already undefined as part of your creation phase. Now you can see in global scope it is undefined. Now once I will run it through, you can see it's assigned with 10. This is the same behavior that we have seen previously, but because I have console log statement coming afterwards. So it will immediately print the value available in A. So currently you have seen there is no value as of now, but the moment I will run the parser through, then you can see A's value is printed as 10, right? Now because that is the latest value A is having, so you can see even in window scope A equal to 10. That is why it has printed 10. Now the moment I will try to run test1 function, you can see it's still showing A equal to 10, and I am currently in the local scope of function test1, and A equal to 10 inside window scope of this available in test1 function, because test1 is called using window scope. I'm not using any other object to call test1. I'm using window scope, right? So that is the reason the window scope available inside local is the same as your global scope. So A equal to 10, and if I will run it through, then it will change the global scoped value A equal to 10, and it will be updated in both places. So A equal to 20, and if I will go for global scope, A equal to 20. That is the reason once I will run it through, it will output me 20. I hope these videos are helping you out to understand JavaScript in a better way. So comment me if you will be liking this kind of videos, so that I will be preparing more videos of such kind, so that you can have a better grasp on concepts of JavaScript. Thanks for watching, and please do share it with your friends, whoever will be having need of understanding JavaScript in a better way. See you in a upcoming video. Till then, bye bye.